Welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 2. We are at some lumber production area and I just accepted a mission where I have to take care, or don't take care, I have to deal with some wolves that the workers are afraid of. And then I'm gonna get the wagon to some people who is gonna build a house. They need the lumber. I don't see any wolves. Maybe if I use this. Down that way. I also need some revenge on the wolves. Yes. Kill the wolves.
Get back. Back, damn it!
Shoot! Why am I not shooting, man? That's bullshit, man. He's just shooting one shot. And I'm like spamming it. I guess I have to use the dead eye here, but I don't want to. I should maybe take my horse so I have some. I have the horse now.
Come on! Out of the way!
Chill. I also kind of want to have my rifle instead. Let's see, most damage. I guess this one. Now I'm ready. Now I really need to get the revenge. Come here. One more. I hear it. There it is. Haha. Finally, I got my revenge.
Oh, there you are!
Yeah.
I assumed from all the gunshots and howling, you got some good news for me?
Yep, it's done.
That's a relief, I'll tell you. Excellent work. Money's right there on the table.
Don't mention it. Me and Wolves go way back.
So now I need a wagon.
I'm leaving. Don't work too hard.
There ain't much danger of that with this bunch, my friend.
So I just take the wagon?
If you come back in a day or so, we should have some lumber for sale again.
What?
All right, you lazy bastards. You get back to work. The wolves are gone, so no more excuses.
Oh, so of course that makes sense. I can't. Oh, doggy.
Hey, boy.
Hello.
Come here.
I said, come here. Let's study it. American foxhound, okay.
Hey,
There
boy.
we go. Okay, so they don't have any lumber at the moment. But I don't want to ride back to here, so let's set up a camp and a sleeper. It's also night. Let's see. I don't think I can cook anything, but let's check it out. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Not anything. Nothing. Okay, then sleep. Till morning, I guess. I don't expect they have lumber for me, but I hope so. This is not where I put the camp down. What the hell? Let's tear down the camp. Tear down the camp, come on. Or maybe I should have slept till noon. I'm not sure. I just thought I'd run over something here.
Come on,
Nope.
girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this the right way? Yeah.
Gentlemen.
Hey, mister.
Morning.
Let's see. Hello? You can see me. I can see you looking at me. Okay. God damn it. Hey, pick up what? Pick up. Pick up bird. Is there something else I can do around here? Well, I could go and check on Strawberry, see if there's something going on. Okay, I think I might do that. Go to the hotel, take a bath maybe. I don't really know what else to do. Yeah, let's go to the hotel then and have a bath. Something to eat. Maybe there's something to do in the city, village, town. Strawberry.
Son of a bitch!
Hey! You trying to put my back up?
Oh, there was a little lag there. Nice hotel.
Clear! I need the pass!
Oh,
Oh,
get away.
cat.
Oh, come on! Good to have you.
Clerk. Let's start with a
I
bath.
need a wash. You got a bath?
All right, head on over when you're ready.
Yeah, that's such a nice hotel. Oh. Can I drink this? I can take the cigarette, but... It's a nice hotel, but also a little creepy. That I don't see more people. Let's see. Stealing from the other guest. They won't notice anything, I think. Got some money. What was that? Nice. Gonna close it again. Oh, I can't search the jacket. It's a bottle there, can I take that? No. Oh, cigarette card. Oh, why did I get my dead eye up? Let's take the other room. Oh, it's locked. It's okay. I'm so skinny. Let's see.
Could I offer some assistance?
Yes.
Sure. Sounds good.
Only $50.
Good. Now relax. You let me know if you need a scrub anywhere else. You're gonna feel so good after I'm through with you.
Yeah. chat.
So, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
Been a while since I've been able to relax like this.
Oh, you don't say.
Yeah, I do.
I was nearly married once. She never bathed me.
Oh gosh, you're making me blush.
Now scrub that leg.
You seem nice.
You're too kind, really.
Can I tip her some money because she... Not because I expect some extra services, but
Is that nice?
she's just being nice to me.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get much cleaner than this. Thank you.
Oh, you kissed
Nice
me, now I'm
meeting
dirty
you.
again. I need some place to eat now. Oh, can I open this? Oh. Oh.
Got some good clean rooms if you're interested.
I am interested, but I need something to eat and I can't eat here.
Thanks, mister.
Anywhere I can eat here? What is that? A hand? Oh, the finger thing. And this post office and the stage. Information. Boom, 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 boom. I haven't tried the finger thing. Let's see. Wasn't really planning to do that, but we need to kill some time.
Fine day.
I hope I won't lose a
You look
finger.
like you got steady hands. Come join us.
I'll have some fun with you.
Let's start practicing. So it's x square x.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to do it fast. Ah, so it's just these two all the time. Oh, that's easy. Let me try to do it fast. Oh. I'm ready.
Christ!
That guy just looking there. So. Oh, come on! Oh, it's circle, you bitch. Did I win? I kinda did it fast to the at the end.
Woo boy, here goes.
I fucked it up because I didn't see they changed it to the circle instead of square.
Shit.
Okay. So let's see now. Oh, it's triangle now. Oh, for fuck. I win.
I'm kind of bored.
Stupid game. Wasted.
No problem.
Only won like 55 cents. I could, but nah, now we tried it.
Bye then.
Kinda easy and
See
gets
ya.
boring after a while.
Good morning, mister.
Hey! You got lumber!
Morning to you. Hey, you there.
How do you do?
Steal it?
Jackass.
What?
Keep an eye on that wagon.
Yep.
I kinda wanna...
Easily stolen from a born idiot like you.
Is that all you got for me?
You know what? Hold it.
You like causing problems?
Okay.
Listen, I know it can be confusing, but that's because you have a log in your
Why can't I
eye.
take it?
I know I have one in mind.
I could just take this. That's easy, and he just let me take it. Where is he? Over there. So now I just have to make sure I don't get robbed. Instead of following that annoying road, I'm gonna take a chance and go on the railroad.
Here's a philosophical point, and it's quite an important one. Blessed are the widow makers,
I guess that's
for
it.
they shall make widows.
You sure you want to thrum my
and
last
speak
nerve?
in the tongue of angels,
Hey guy, I got your wagon!
I think.
That's
Yep.
I really hope I don't meet any bounty hunters. I probably can take care of them, but I could also die. But that was unexpected that I just ran into that guy. The guy came to me with the wagon. That spared me a lot of time. Maybe it's a good idea to use the cinematic. For fuck's sake!
Couldn't leave it alone, huh?
I've done nothing.
After him.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Crime reported. This is not good.
I don't need
Just hope I don't run into some police cops. Because I have nowhere to escape with the wagon. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. I'm fucking done.
Shit.
Okay, they run past me. What the? Okay. I also think I did. I should have. Okay, now I just follow the road. That was close. And they didn't even care about. I jumped off and they ran into me. That was just luck. What the hell? That's a weird way. I see the spot now on the map. So we are close. Faster! What the hell am I doing? I wanna do off-road, but I don't. I'm afraid I will fuck it up because I have the weapon. So I'm gonna wait. Can I go on the rail road? I can. Let's do that. Or maybe next to it. Now the worst thing that can happen is my wagon breaks down and the train comes. We must be there soon. It's actually a long ride. Don't fall off, don't fall off. Ah, I should not have done this. I should not have done this. I only have 1 horsepower. Can I back up a little more?
Yep.
Get up, get up.
Yep. Slow up now.
We need to back up a little more. Okay, I think we're good now.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, okay. Slowly. I can't lose you.
Howdy, friend.
Can you stop blocking my way?
Come on.
It's right there. I gotta cross it here. I don't trust the road. Phew. Looks safe. Yeah. Oh, that was close.
This was a bad idea from the start.
Look at all that wood.
Yeah.
I don't believe it. I can't thank you enough, friend.
You're paying me back, though.
Oh, of course. Of course. Just as soon as we sell the house, you'll get your money back, and then some.
When we're done with the house then. So that's it. Okay, then I have to come back. I'm not gonna wait this till they're done with the house. I'll see. There you are. Okay, now to Eagle Flies. Yeah. And we're gonna go through Valentine and
Giddy up.
maybe we meet some people there who needs my help. I don't think there's much to do in Valentine anymore. I've done a lot of things.
Where the heck am I?
Except for here.
Pal, can you help me? Could use some help finding my way home.
Ah, why
Can't
not?
make heads or tails of where I'm at. I live in front of the saloon next to the freight station. You know if I'm heading in the right direction?
Gonna mislead him.
Sure. Just head over that way. You'll be home in no time.
Well, thank you, mister. Am I glad I asked? I got myself right in this around.
Bye, Valentine. Oh, I should have been in Valentine on Valentine's Day.
Yep.
Eagle, you here? I can't see a thing. Don't tell me he's up there. I see some hits. Yeah, I can see that. Can I get up here?
Yeah.
Luckily I can't. What up?
So good of you to join us.
What's going on?
Rebellion.
Oh, Dutch, you got new.
What are y'all doing?
An eye for an eye. We didn't start this, Arthur. They did.
We? This ain't our fight.
It surely is.
Whatever it is you're planning, it ain't a good idea. They want you to fight.
Nobody will be killed.
We're just gonna trap a few of them in the valley, disarm them, tar and feather them, and remind them to leave these boys alone.
You have energy for pranks?
Come on, Arthur. Just tweaking Uncle Sam's nose a little. I need you to help me.
So, what are we doing?
Besides, it's perfect. People will see these boys. They won't notice us, and they'll think we're gone. Everyone will blame everything on the Indian problem, and we'll disappear up the river. But first, we need
I don't
to
like
trap
that.
them in this pass. Help me dynamite up these trees.
So, you're using them?
No, sir. No. Never. But it is mutually beneficial to draw attention to one problem and avail over another.
These are good people, but
Is it this tree?
their situation is real complex.
Oh, is it down at
We
the road?
ain't helping them.
Sure we are. Come on. Let's get this done.
Pick up spool.
We don't have a lot of time. Few minutes.
Okay. Hurry, Arthur. I'll plant the dynamite, you run the wire.
We'll keep lookout from up here.
I sent for some of that dynamite you and Bill commandeered in Van Horn. Good work with that, by the way.
Bill played drunk.
The perfect man for the job.
So, you finally got to see Colm Hank.
Yeah. After all those years. Hard to believe. Oh, but it was worth the wait. See? We're tying up
Lucky
the
no one
loose
is
ends, Arthur,
passing.
one by one.
How many trees do we need? This is enough.
I think that should do it. Come on now, quick. Get back up here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Arthur.
Hurry! I think I see some movement in the distance.
The detonator's by me. Here. My spotter will let us know when they're near. They're coming.
Oh, I have to blow it up. Nice.
God damn. Patrol's a lot larger than we thought it was gonna be.
Don't worry. That's a good thing.
Am I
Okay,
blind?
that's the
I don't
signal.
see them.
Here they come. Stay low and
Now I
quiet.
see.
You sure you don't want me to man that plunger, Arthur?
No, I got it.
I want to.
Oh, remove the weight of the world from your shoulders for a minute. Like I said, we're just going to give them a bit of a scare.
There they are. Looks like more than we thought.
It's fine. We're only here to talk and administer a little good old-fashioned humiliation.
There are not that many. Ah,
You're owed
okay, a
that,
little
son,
maybe.
At the very least.
Wait for my lead, men.
Everyone just stay calm. We've got the upper hand here.
We got the higher ground.
Okay, they've passed the first charge. If we blow it now, we should have them trapped.
I want to wait for the second. Not now. Now. Perfect.
Put your hands up! You're surrounded! Nobody need get hurt! Your humiliation of us has gone on quite enough.
This ain't a good idea.
Put down your guns!
You are making a mistake, boy.
No, you're making a mistake. Put your hands up, soldier. Take a little humiliation and leave these fine folks alone.
Who are you?
A concerned citizen.
Is that so?
What now?
We should
Oh fuck.
move.
No, not quite yet. Soldier, you and your friends gonna tuck tail and run off? Run!
Excuse me?
I'm getting bored of this. Your friends fired first, soldier!
My father won't be happy about this.
They fired first, son!
You started this! We will kill you all, if that's what it takes! There's another patrol in the rear!
Looks like we gotta fight this!
This is bad!
Hold your
Shit, they're coming up.
Look out! They're coming
Take them down!
I'll kill you all! You're gonna get paid for what you've done!
You pushed us to this!
You fools, you damn fools, it's the army!
Idiots and bullies, watch your goddamn mouth. All of you, take what you can, and then we move out.
Move now. We have to move now.
Did they have
Search
something?
these men quickly, then we move.
This is crazy. Why aren't we getting out of here?
They might have information on them that'll help our friends with their cause.
We need anything my father can use to strengthen our case.
I ain't sure much is gonna strengthen your case after this.
Find anything?
Yes. Some poor fool from New Jersey. These
And?
boys ain't the problem. They're only kids.
Keep looking.
Holy shit.
Shit! Everyone!
Get
keep
down
your
there,
heads
Arthur.
down. We're gonna get out of this.
There's someone behind us.
What do we do here, Dutch? This is a lot of men!
Just hold your ground. Surrender, and they'll hang you all.
Was that it?
Damn. They're sending riders from the fort. We need to leave.
But where's Peta? Was he killed?
That trumpet,
alive.
oh my god, that was so fake.
That went just about according to plan.
I'm trying.
Sounded
I'm
more like
trying hard with
a
everything I have, and I will keep
like a
trying,
phone
and
call.
you'll keep doubting me, and we'll keep failing.
It ain't like that, Dutch. Look at me. Look at me. I'm worried about folk.
I know. We should go.
Where's Eagle
Yeah.
Flies?
Run, son! Run! Come on! This area is gonna be crawling with soldiers in a few minutes. We gotta leave. Now!
What about Eagle Flies?
We gotta go, Arthur! Come on! We need to ride hard! Stay with me!
I see some enemy incoming. Oh, I predicted. Let's see if I'm right.
Left here! Into the trees!
Yeah. I don't understand why we are riding this way. Kinda towards them.
Let's dismount here. We won't get the horses down this path.
Yes, we
All right,
will.
Let's carry on by foot. Try and sell them a little snake oil. You think? I guess not. Get behind something, Arthur.
Oh. I'm not ready for this. This.
This ends right here. Come on. Let's see if there's a way out through here.
We could easily have the horses here. Someone behind us.
More on the left.
Dodge. I lost my head.
They are gonna get it now.
Oh, nice view again. The game just know how to have the right roads.
Behind us! Hold them off!
Ain't no getting out of this one alive.
Oh, we gotta do something!
Help me dodge, you fucking asshole! Guess I had to use Deadeye there. I don't have any chance. Or was there some cover? I think I'm gonna run with dodge then.
Let's move! Come on!
Got my head back.
Behind us! Hold them off!
Wait a second, I just need to get in cover.
That ain't nice.
Get the in cover!
This is a losing battle, Arthur! Oh, we've gotta do something!
Oh, he fell down.
This is where
Die!
There's too many, Arthur! Fall back!
No, there's not. I can take them.
I don't know how much longer we can hold out. There's too many. Get moving.
Okay, let's run. They keep spawning.
I'll hold them here. Move.
Oh, a bridge.
Dead end.
Oh, it's not anymore.
This is it.
Well, Arthur.
Put your hands up. I said put your damn hands up.
Okay. Okay. Follow my lead.
Why wouldn't they just shoot us?
I got a plan.
Maybe questioning us.
Oh, officers.
You keep them hands up and come here. Put your hands up.
Hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here.
Okay, let's surrender.
Come here.
We can't do that. Your man... Those men they killed? They were good men.
I jump if you jump.
Captain.
Get over here.
Ask my friend here. My whole life, I tried to fight change. It's a waste. I see that now. It's waste. You can't fight nature, Captain. You can't fight change. You can't fight gravity.
Is that the cue to jump, Dutch?
What the hell are you talking about?
Arthur, jump.
I knew I would kinda get shot, but why me, man? I didn't move. Dutch were moving.
Put your hands up.
Huh? Okay, let's do it again then, and I'm just gonna jump when it tells me to.
Keep your hands up and come
I
here.
thought I had another option.
Come here.
We can't do that. Those men they killed? They were good men. You're fighting nature, Captain.
Get over here.
Ask my friend here. My whole life, I tried to fight change.
I don't know, just jump while
It's
he's
a waste.
talking.
I see that now. It's a waste. You can't fight nature, Captain. You can't fight change.
Oh, that's so lucky we didn't hit a tree. I mean, a rock. I can't really do anything. So I don't get why this isn't just a cutscene.
Come on, Arthur. Take my hand. Come here, big boy. Oh, I got you.
You're okay. Oh, you're okay.
What a mess.
I know. But a mess is what we need. Oh, we just escaped from chaos. Eagle flies must have been taken.
Bad.
Well, we can't go find out.
No, not now.
Charles, we'll send him. Where is it?
He's probably back at camp.
Let's split up. I'll go tell him. You rest up, then go meet him up at the reservation. We are gonna make it, brother. I can feel it. Faith, Arthur. Have faith.
We have so many scenes with that deer, and I can't really tell if it's a new clip every time. Tear down this camp. Oh, I'm so thin. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, back at Charlotte. She needs my help. And we also have this with Charles. I hope I can do the hunt. I can get there before it disappears. And then we're gonna go to Charlotte, see what she wants.